honest, to be real with you, waxing is painful. For me, the first time I wax, like I cry. It's very painful. So I stop waxing, then I go for. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk on 10 feminine hygiene tips that you need to know. Number 1. Take care of yourself from inside. Can I be honest with you? Feminine hygiene begins from inside. Head is wet. You are what you eat. You need to take care of yourself from inside before the outer. So make sure that you drink more water. Water hydrates the skin, and when you stay hydrated, it also helps you to eliminate toxins from the body, and also eat more fruit, drink more juice, and stop drinking coffee. Coffee also affects the body, so you can substitute your coffee with water or juice. Then you should stop eating red meat. Red meat causes vaginal smell. For me, when I used to eat red meat a lot, then I noticed that my vaginal smelled abnormal, so that's why I stopped it. And I asked my doctor about it. She told me that I should stop eating red meat, so I stopped eating red meat. Then my vagina come back to normal. So please make sure you stop eating red meat. Red meat makes the odor of your vagina to smell bad. Next tip is Pant Liner. Oh my god, I love using this. I got this. I love using Pant Liner on my pants. Even I'm using it now. I'm wearing Pant Liner now. I want to show you, sir. That is what I'm using now. Let me show it to you. Pant Liner is very important for every woman out there, okay? Because it saves you from unexpected light period flow. Sometimes when you discharge more than you think, so it saves you from getting wet, from leakage, from smell. So Pant Liner is very important for everything. Just attach it in your pants and you're good to go, so you will stay all fresh all day. So Pant Liner is a life changer. To be sincere, Pant Liner is a life changer. So make sure you use Pant Liner. You always use Pant Liner. So my next tip is stop using antibiotic, or avoid using too much antibiotic. You know why? Antibiotics cause yeast infection of vagina, which may result in itchiness, a thick discharge, like abnormal discharge, a smell discharge, a thick discharge, like a coating, like a cheese. When you notice that the color of your vagina turn like yellow, turn like green, so definitely you have yeast infection, and it can cause pains during urination, during sexual intercourse, and also it just causes discomfort. So stop using antibiotics, because it kills the bacteria that prevents the overgrowth of the yeast in the vagina. So make sure you stop using antibiotics or avoid using too much antibiotics. Is bath twice. This is very important, girl. As a woman, you need to bath twice in a day. You must have morning routine and the night routine. You see, our body are delicate. You cannot compare our body with a male body. You see, okay? So you need to have morning routine, then night routine. Cleanse yourself very well. Also, it make you free from germs, from virus. So make sure as a woman to clean your body daily, to bath twice in a day, morning and night. Sleep with no undies, girl. I love doing that. So sleep with no undies. It is advisable for every woman to sleep with no undies, because you need to let that area to get some air. Let your vagina breathe. Let it get some air to keep it dry and clean, and also it prevents yeast infection and bacteria. It also helps you to sleep very well. It helps you to sleep very well. For me, anytime I sleep with no undies, I used to sleep very well. I have a better quality sleep. So ladies, please don't sleep with your undies, okay? So number 6, girl, wear cotton panties. Cotton is the best choice when it comes to everyday wear, because it is absorbent and it's breathable. So it's especially important for women, for ladies, to wear cotton panties. Please wear more cotton panties it's like it's absorb your it's, we girls will discharge, so it's absorb your discharge very well. So make sure you use cotton panties, and it's also allow your vagina to breathe. So use cotton panties, it's very important. So number 7 is shaving. Shaving. So when it comes to shaving, we have 2 types of shaving. The first one is waxing, and the second one is maybe you should shave with razor blade, or you shave with massive stick. But to be honest, to be real with you, waxing is painful. For me, the first time I wax, like I cry. It's very painful. So I stop waxing, then I go for shaving. And when you want to shave, you have to shave in the correct way to prevent some cuts, bumps too. So I will tell you step by step on how to shave correctly. So here, if you want to shave, you need to first exfoliate. Use an exfoliating sponge. I'll put the pics on the screen. You use an exfoliating sponge to exfoliate that place very well. So after you exfoliate it, then you need to get a new razor, like a razor. I don't recommend razor blade because it's not easy, it's not that convenient. So use man shaving stick. So use a neat man shaving stick to shave that area. You shave it at the direction of the ingrown of your hair. Maybe if the direction of your ingrown of your hair is upward, so you shave it upward. If it is downward, you shave it downward. Make sure you shave at the direction of the ingrown of your hair. Okay, so shave very well. Remember, you need to exfoliate with the exfoliation, like with the exfoliating sponge. Okay, you use exfoliating sponge to exfoliate it with soap. Then you shave that area with a clean razor. Please, anytime you want to shave, make sure you use a clean razor blade or shaving stick. Do not use old one, because just to prevent bacteria. So you need to use new one. Okay. Number 8 is baby wipes. Use of wipes, feminine wipes. So we use wipes to clean butt. You must use wipes to clean your butt. Okay, so do not use soap in that area. To use water and use wipes to clean it. And I recommend baby wipes. Baby wipes is the safest wipes to use. So anything you want to do on your body, anything you want to use wipes for in your body, make sure you use baby wipes. So it's okay, it's the safest one. Okay, and the next one is birth control. Please, before you use birth control, please talk to your doctor. Make sure you talk to your doctor. Your doctor will examine you and give you a birth control that will work for you. And if you are using birth control, this is what you should expect, like abnormal discharge. Sometimes you will not see your period. Sometimes you see your period. Sometimes you will see your period after 2 months, 3 months. It's caused because of using birth control, and sometimes you will not see your period at all. So that is the side effect of birth control. Okay, so the next tip is mouth care. Please make sure you clean your teeth and your tongue. You need to clean your tongue. You need to clean that. We used to neglect that place, but that place is very important. Make sure you clean your tongue, and make sure you clean your lip too. Clean it so it prevents odor, it prevents bad breath. So please, you should clean your teeth in the morning and clean your teeth at night. Okay, even if you can make it possible, you can clean it after you eat anything. So make sure you clean your mouth very well, and use mouthwash. So use mouthwash to flush everything. Okay, do not use toothpaste alone. Okay, use mouthwash also. So mouth care is very important, especially when you're kissing your man. Okay, you don't want to smell bad. Okay, when you talk to others, you don't want to smell. You don't want your breath to be smelled bad. So make sure you care for your mouth. So my last tip, or the next tip, is do not wear dirty clothes. Do not wear dirty bra. Do not wear dirty pants. Just don't put any dirty thing on your body. Okay? Cleanliness is next to godliness. Okay, the way you dress is the way you will be addressed. You should be well groomed every day, every time. In case an emergency or in case a plan arises at any fucking time. So just make sure that you are not card and fresh. Okay? So make sure you always look neat. Don't put any dirty things on your body. It also prevents bacteria and some germs and for some infection from unclean clothes. So make sure you look neat every day, all day, all day. So thank you so much for watching my video this time. I love you so much. I really appreciate you. My people, I give you two gosa, gosa, gosa. I love you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on that notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I upload any video. So see you in my next video. I love you. Please come back, okay? Make sure you come back. We are family. I'm your sis. Take care of yourself. Have a nice day.